In today's episode on Location Series, I'm taking you into New Haven, Connecticut. I am heading over to Sailors and Soldiers Monument in East Rock Park. It's a beautiful sunny day to take a nice ride. Right now it's a little hot out. My bike temperature is telling me it's like 89 degrees, depending where I'm riding. Like when I was coming down the Merritt Parkway, the temperature was changing up, varying between 91 and 88, 89. So right now it's saying 89. But the best part of riding in Connecticut is when you're in tree cover here, like it is now. See, looking down the road, you can see a lot of shading from the tree. So that'll make you feel a little bit more comfortable. Oh, here's the entrance to the park. Okay, it says, "Do not enter." Okay. Let's try another entrance. Wonder what's going on. I just saw a bunch of cars up in that parking lot there, so I don't understand why they locking it down. I guess my best guess would be that they're still trying to control the amount of people that are going into these parks, and because of the COVID and all that. Anyway, I'm looking at my GPS right now, and I'm gonna see if I can find another entrance and see what's gonna happen here. So I guess just stick with me on this one and see what's going on. Okay, I do see another entrance here on the map, just up ahead coming up. Let's see. Okay, there's a structure there. Oh, I think that's some type of garden. No, it's not gonna let me in. There's no outlet. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep going straight. All right, let's just keep it moving here. I'll tell you, the grounds are really beautiful around here. A lot of property. The more thought I put into this, I'm really thinking that the State Parks Department is trying to control the amount of people that are going into these parks. It's a beautiful day, so everybody's coming out. I mean, there's a lot of cars on the road now. East Rock Park seems to be surrounded by residential areas. I mean, I'm going through this neighborhood here, and the park is right behind these houses on the right. Okay, so my GPS is telling me there's a entrance coming up there. Yeah, there it is up ahead. All right, let's see what's going on here. Uh-oh. It's not happening. This car is turning around. Alright. What to do now? Now, I can go in there or go back around. Or keep going around the property here, but this seems to be a one-way. I don't know, my GPS doesn't kind of indicate this is a one-way. I guess I'm gonna make a U-ey here. Hey, there's a rider coming down. Where is he going? Oh, he just went right in. What the hell? Should I follow him? Alright, I'm gonna pull right here, and I'm gonna read that sign up there. So let me stop here for a second. The sign apparently is for rules, park rules. You know, that's all I needed was to follow that biker into the park, and I get a parks guy stop me and give me a ticket for crossing the line, and I'm from New York City, so they'll be like, "Oh, you're from New York. Oh, I'm gonna give your ass a ticket." And you know what else? Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Bye. Hey, buddy, and you better show up in court to pay for that ticket too. We want that money. I got a plan B going here. I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna check out this other location that I was planning to visit after I came out of this place. Okay, so the plan B is going to the Eli Whitney Museum. There's supposed to be a nice little waterfall in the back. It's a museum, and I think there's a park also with trails in it. That's going to be my plan B. So let's mosey on up ahead here. I'm like still wondering, can I get in here? The parking lot is like right up the hill right there. Let me think about this. And I did see a car come out before. Should I do it? Yeah, there's a car coming right down the hill now. I don't know, I'm thinking about going for it. Yeah, you know what? F it. I'm bold. I do crazy shit. So whatever happens, happens. When we get to the parking lot, we'll just ask somebody, "What's up? Give us some info, buddy." There's a gentleman right there. Let's go bother him. Hello? Sir? Well, this location series episode turned out to be a complete failure. I don't know where else to go into this park. There is another side of this on the other, way on the other side. But you know what? We already wasted enough time. So I'm going to head on to the Eli Whitney Museum. And apparently I was right about the COVID-19 thing. They're trying to control the people entering the park. So, it is what it is. So, we're going to make the best of it. We're going to go to this other place over here. So, my apologies goes out to the viewers today for this failure of a location series ride. And hopefully, when all this clears up, I'll come back and do an episode on it. Guess it's time to sign out here. And like always, when you're on the road, rubber side down. If you like my content, please subscribe. Thank you. And don't forget to ring the bell